All right, so just looking at multiplying a fraction by a whole number. There's a few ways we can think about this, so let's jump into it. If we had something like 2 multiplied by 1/3, the answer is 2/3, but let's just have a think visually why that might be the case. One thing we could say is that it's two groups of 1/3, right? To multiply something by 2 means to do addition with itself, right? So 1/3 plus 1/3 gives us 2/3. So two groups of 1/3. So maybe we could represent that like this. Each one of these sort of pink areas represents 1/3, right? If we think of this top bar being one whole, then that's 1/3 plus 1/3. So that's 2/3. Okay, we could also sort of think about it the other way around. Obviously gives us the same answer, which is to say, all right, 1/3 multiplied by 2. So another way to think about this is to say, okay, well, what's 1/3 of 2? Well, you can see now we consider both bars. So that's two wholes. 1/3 of two wholes. Well, there's 1/3. The green ones are 2/3, and then the orange ones are 3/3. So we can see that 1/3 of 2 corresponds to 2/3. So it's sort of another way to think about it. And then lastly, this is probably how you get generally taught it when we sort of learn that process around how to do it. 1/3 multiplied by 2 on 1. So if you were to express 2 as a fraction, it would just be 2 over 1 because anything divided by 1 is itself. And then what we say is, all right, multiply the numerators. 1 times 2 is 2. And that gives us our numerator, our answer. The answer for the numerator is 2. And then 3 times 1, which is 3. So that gives us our denominator. So two ways to think about it. You can sort of think about it as two groups of 1/3 or 1/3 of two wholes. All right, with that in mind, see if you can try this problem. See if you can evaluate 1/9 of 6, or 1/9 multiplied by 6, and see if you can think about it both ways. All right, good luck.